Hey there, I'm going to show you how you can reset your HyperX keyboard. It's super simple, so let me show you how we're going to do it. So what you have to do is that you just have to press the escape key and the FN key at the same time. Maybe you can have the FN key for the bottom right. So you want to both press and hold escape key and the function key, and you want to hold the key simultaneously for several seconds. So you're going to press the escape and you're going to press the FN, and you want to press and hold both of them. And what you're going to do, you're going to factory reset. So that's it. Super simple. So let me down below in the comments if this video actually helped you to reset your HyperX keyboard. And I hope it does, because I like to make videos like these. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Also, the watch for the LED lights to blink, indicating the process is complete. And this is how we're going to reset your HyperX keyboard. So have a great day and goodbye. Escape and FN. Just look under the function key. Maybe it's going to be also here somewhere.